Removing a PCIe riser and PCIe adapter. The PCIe riser and PCIe adapter replacement procedures for the SR850 V3 and SR850 V4 are identical. An SR850 V3 is used in this video for demonstration purposes. Remove the front top cover. Remove the rear top cover. Lift the PCIe riser out of the chassis. If applicable, disconnect the power cable from the PCIe riser. If you are removing a full-height, full-length PCIe riser, pull the tab on the rear air baffle outward toward the front of the server, and then lift the PCIe riser out of the chassis. To remove the PCIe adapter, unfasten the screw that secures the PCIe adapter to the PCIe riser. Hold the edges of the PCIe adapter and carefully pull it out of the PCIe slot.